Hey guys, it's Marichu and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited to unbox my new iPhone finally, because I've had my iPhone 7 for the last 3 years and I feel like I deserve to upgrade. But yeah, just this morning I actually went to Apple Store to pick up what I've ordered, and I was with my parents. So this is the iPhone that I got. It's iPhone 11 in purple, and I got the 128 gig capacity so that I won't have to worry about the storage and stuff. So guys, this is so nice. So yes, let's get into the unboxing. I'm just gonna go for it. Can't wait to see the phone inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. So before anything else, let me just go to Apple Store so that I could tell you guys a few description about the iPhone 11. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Ooh, oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. That's what the inside of the box looks like, and here's the phone. It's such a nice color. So for the iPhone 11, I went for purple just because it's a new color. I never had the 10R, and I think for the 10R they have blue version, but for the 11 they change it to purple. And it's a big coincidence because you guys know I'm a huge BTS fan, and BTS means army means purple. So before I go with showing you guys and telling you guys the things about the iPhone 11, let's just see what we have in here. That's the cover something, and you get the earpods, then you get the charger. So what you normally get on an iPhone box. So you get all this set and this one. So you get the Apple sticker and this notes. Oh, also this thing, I don't know what you call this one, I'm so bad at names, but it's basically where you open this SIM card thingy. So bad at it. It's my first ever tech or like phone unboxing, so bear with me guys. If you're looking for a professional review unboxing of this phone, this isn't the video for you. The reason why I did the unboxing is to show you guys what phone I got, and because I'm a selfie lover, I love photography, I love taking pictures. That's what we're going to look at. It's the camera settings. Okay, so we're gonna do a camera test shoot or something. Okay, let's get into the actual phone. Oh my gosh. So the new iPhone 11 is now a dual camera system. It's got 12MP wide and 12MP ultra wide. I know that iPhone 11 Pro comes with 3 camera lenses. So these retails for, if you get the 64 gig, it costs £729, whereas for the 128 gig, it costs £779. And if you want to get the 256 gig, it retails for £879, which is £100 more than the 128 gig. But yeah guys, it's so pretty. Look at that color, bro. So the new iPhone 11 comes with 6 different colors, from purple to green or mint, yellow, white, black and red. It now introduces night mode, which I'm super excited about, and oh my god, it can shoot 4K video at 60 FPS. So the battery life of this one improved, which is good. Okay, so I feel like the only thing that I'm gonna struggle is literally the home button. I'm so used to using home button from my iPhone 7, and look at that. This is the difference between iPhone 7 and 11. You can see that the logo went from up here to down here. It's now centered. I actually prefer the Apple logo up here so that I can put like my ring holder, iPhone ring holder in the middle. So now if I ever put a ring holder on my iPhone 11, it's gonna cover the logo, which is sad. Okay, anyways, let's just take this off. This is so nice. I wish you guys can see it in person. Look at that, it's so nice. So it's made out of glass and aluminum. There you go. What do I do? Okay. English, United Kingdom. I'm just setting this up. Space ID. Get started. Position your face. Okay, first Face ID complete. Anyways, so the iPhone 11 lasts up to 1 hour longer than iPhone XR, and the water resistant to a depth of 2 meters for up to 30 minutes. So this is 6.1 inch all screen LCD, while the iPhone 11 Pro is only 5.8 inch, and it's the same size as my 7. Okay guys, so what's happening now is it's basically restoring from iCloud, and I feel like it's gonna take a few minutes, maybe to an hour, so I'm gonna have to get back to you guys in a bit. Okay, so it's done restoring from iCloud. Okay, so let's go into the camera. Oh my god guys, so nice. Wait, let me do the screen recording. Let's go to the camera. Guys, it's so nice. It's so pretty. Now I'm gonna test the... Oh, they have portrait on this one. Oh my god. So nice, but it's not... I feel like portrait settings is for... It's not for selfie. To be honest, like, it feels a bit weird. The blurriness behind me feels so weird. But we've got natural light, studio light, contour, stage light. What's that? Stage light mono. Cool. Let's go back to natural light. That's photo. What else? So where's the night mode? Is it automatic? Like if it's dark and then you take pictures of your using your 11, I think it's automatic that you get this night mode thingy. Anyways, let's go for video. Hi, so I'm currently filming using the new iPhone 11 and the quality is so nice. Like you can literally see everything, my eye bags. So this is the front camera and it already looks like this. It already looks amazing. So let's test the back camera. Bye! Okay, so this is the back camera. I might use this phone to vlog outside, like if I can't be asked to carry my camera with me, my G7X. Oh my god guys, it's so clear, like you can see my oily face. Okay guys, so I went outside down our hallway because it's dark out there, and I tested the camera and night mode is actually so good. I mean, if it's any other phone or any other iPhone, I mean the old generation iPhone, you probably won't be able to see anything. It's just pure black or darkness, but with the iPhone 11 the night mode is so nice. So that's my review unboxing of the new iPhone 11. I'm gonna end this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the new iPhone 11. This is such a nice color, I love it, and I really like the camera. It's so clear, and the video recording, I'm super excited with that because it says you can shoot 4K recording, so I'm excited. I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed watching my iPhone 11 unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what do you guys think of the new iPhone 11. I mean, I've seen a lot of memes about the 3 cameras, but honestly, if you guys see it personally, it looks so nice and it's so worth it. And if you guys are interested on buying one, let me know down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!